Good day to my future employer. Let me introduce myself. I am Jenny Mila. I'm 39 years old from the Philippines. I am a high school graduate and I'm a single mother of two kids. Ages are 17 years old girl and 16 years old boy. My first work experience as a domestic helper is here in the Philippines for 2 years with one employer and I served three members of the family. Way back February 10, 2021 until March 10, 2023. And my duties and responsibilities there are cleaning the house, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, marketing, cooking, and taking care of a newborn baby. And my duties and responsibilities to their baby is taking a bath, changing the clothes, changing the diaper, and feed milk at the time. And my last work experience as a domestic helper is in Malaysia for 2 years and 6 months with one employer and I served two members of the family. Way back July 12, 2023 until January 24, 2026. My duties and responsibilities there are cleaning the house, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, marketing, cooking, ironing, car wash, gardening, and taking care of an 88 years old elderly who was bedridden at that time. And my duties and responsibilities to her is changing diaper, changing the clothes, feeding, bathing, and give the proper medicine. I consider myself as a fast learner, good communication, loyal, honest, and trustworthy. I want to work abroad again for the future of my two kids to sustain their daily needs. To my future employer, if you hire me, I will treat you as my own family and I will happy to serve you. Thank you.